very good program because the participants, they learn about the hard skills as well as soft skills pertaining to developing apps, AI, ChatGPTs, and also we also teach them financial literacy. So I think it's quite a well-rounded program for all the participants.
I joined this program. I learned a lot. I learned what to do, what next I need to achieve, and all that. To learn like React.js, Node.js from this program. I also learn about AI and then machine learning, data visualization, and then I get to learn about creating a logo from AI.
It's really good. It's a very great experience. My favorite part about all the friends that I met, and also the staff here also very nice. I'm happy with them.
Great to experience it firsthand, how you network with other groups. The rest of the participants were very helpful in terms of guiding and giving you like an overview of what they are doing as well.